I think the answer is that it's all about the learner. It's all about the learner's requirement to learn, not my need to tell them something or my need to write something for them. And also the other little bit that goes with that really is that learning is an active process. People have to actually engage with learning in order for that to be successful.
Best advice I've heard from our customers in learning and development is in the areas of mobile technology, where they're looking for a solution that's engaging, it's targeted, that learning can be delivered to individual audiences. They want a secure working environment, and they want that to happen automatically and seamlessly. And probably the main advice I've been given is the ability to work offline, to take content and work offline in a remote environment, and to provide that information, upload that information back to our servers for capture and assessment at a later date.
I think some of the best advice I've received, and perhaps even given, is people are looking to do people development, encourage talent management, retain people, and they think to solve that problem they can just throw technology at it. I think it's a real fact that technology is not a magic bullet. It's not going to solve your problems. Putting in an LMS or a PLMS or a content library, it's about putting it into context, understanding what you want to do, having senior sponsorship, but really positioning what you want the technology to do to achieve the business result and help people develop. So just don't think technology is a magic bullet.
Whenever you see a picture of learning in action, you see someone stood at a board with some content on it and people fading to grey in the background. Turn that on its head. Start with the people, start with the expression on their faces, start with a look in their eyes. That's where you need to be, inside their head. Because if you start inside their head, everything else comes right.
So it's advice from our old Latin teacher, which rhymes in German. I'm German. I won't translate it literally because it doesn't rhyme in English. But it basically said, about 25, 30 years ago, I will tell you when, you don't have to know how it works, you have to know where it's written. What he wanted to say is you don't have to learn everything by heart, you just have to know where to find the words. And I think this is very much the case in everything that we do in L&D today, because it's so much, we cannot know how it works, we just have to find our way through it.
My name's Rich Allen. I work for Goss International. Citrix product we use at Goss is GoToTraining. We use it for online training with our customers. We do technical training with them. We basically use technical drawings, video, PowerPoint presentations, photographs, and interaction over voice over the IP. So basically we teach our whole class in 2 to 3 hour sessions over many weeks, and it works out great for us. We're doing training sessions about 3 hours long, once or twice a week for maybe 10 weeks. Some classes shorter, some classes longer, but the customers seem to love it, and I can talk to them, they can talk to me. They see everything I see. I actually watch my own presentation on a different screen also, so it works out really well. It's very easy to use. I mean, it's easy to set up the classes, it's easy to conduct the classes, it's easy to tell what the customer's doing. You can watch what they're doing on the other end. Overall, it works out great. Voice over IP works fantastic. Everybody comes in nice and clear. It's very easy to talk to them. I mean, I like it. It's great.